Hey buddy, welcome to Wizard.com. My name is Shubhadeep Chaudhary and I am your maths tutor. So let's begin. According to the questions, we have been given 3 points, namely A, B and C, and thus we have to find the value of 3 multiplied by abscissa of C divided by ordinate of B multiplied by 3 into ordinate of A. So let's find the required point. So abscissa of C will be equal 4. Abscissa means x coordinate and ordinate means y coordinate. That's it. So ordinate of B will be equals 22, and again ordinate of A will be equals 11. 4, 20, 11. Okay. Now according to the question, we have been asked to find the value of 3 multiplied by abscissa of C, which is 4, divided by ordinate of B, which is 22, then multiplied by 3 into ordinate of A, which is 11. So from the rules of algebra, we know that at first we have to carry out the division operator and then we have to solve the multiplicative operator. So 3 multiplied by 4 is 12, 12 upon 22, and is whole multiplied with 3 multiplied by 11, which is 33. So this upon further simplification will give us, so 11 will cancel out 22 and will produce 2, and will cancel out 33 and will produce 3, and again 2 will cancel out 12 and will produce 6. So 6 multiplied by 3 will produce 18. Therefore 18 will be our required final answer. So that's it. Thank you and have a great day.